Oh, I'm so hungry.
More Mr. Light.
Oops, I'm not strong enough.
I wish I could have a family.
I've made...
I'm so hungry.
Oh, my stomach hurts so much. It came out of nowhere.
Huh? Oh.
Something's seriously wrong. Look at us.
Pink.
Hey, Mrs. Boggo's mom. Is Boggo here?
You must be famished. You.
Bring them back again. Ow! That can't you? What's going on with us? Gosh, guys!
Is Mom okay? But I'm so hungry. Mom,
Oh man, that was delicious. If you guys could excuse me.
Oh, good. What's going on? Why do I feel so weird?
Right.
Come on.
Right.
Ah.
Starving! My stomach is begging me for some food! I'll have to sleep to forget about my other needs. I'm...
please.
Oh, where's the pizza? So hungry I'm beginning to digest myself.
Maybe they can help me.
And I was hungry.
Yeah, maybe you're right. Yeah, I'm hungry.
They better have. What is that sound coming from your stomach, Dad?
Oh crap. I think, All that running took a lot out of me. I'm gonna need something to eat soon. Aha!
Let's keep looking.
Oh, Cat, I'm so hungry.
Oh, my belly hurts. I'm willing to eat something tastier than my tears. Wait a